So, wala pa po si Sir Elmer Espiritu, on the way pa lang po. Kasama rin po natin ang ating mga sponsor sa ating event. J.R. Ortiz Capito of Hiroshi Wellness Healthcare Solution Philippines. Derwen Jamison Lipardo, CEO of Gown and Event Management by Salvi Paparon, CEO of Xian Roll Up, ano to? Door Construction Services. So, bigyan ko lang po kayo ng insight kung paano nga ba nagsimula ang Philippines' finest business. 12 years na ang company ko, which is Servicio Channel. During the middle year niya sa journey namin, kapag may na-feature kaming mga negosyo, ay binibigyan namin sila ng plaque of appreciation. Tinatawag namin silang Philippines' finest business. Last year, I met La Visual Corporation. Sabi niya, bakit hindi mo pa gawin totoo yung awarding mo? Yung binibigay mong plaque. Bakit hindi pa totohaning event, may red carpet, nagbibigay tayo ng award? So, sa tagal-tagal ko sa industry, sa media, ngayon lang kami nagkaroon ng partnership na pareho kami ng vision to help businesses, to recognize them, at talagang makilala sila sa buong Pilipinas. Siyempre, nakakatuwa na dream come true yung nangyari dahil ito na yung event natin. So, sa tagal ng preparation namin, sa pagpili ng mga awards, talagang sinala natin sila at very supportive ang La Visual Corporation sa lahat ng gustuhin natin sa event. So, talagang maraming salamat La Visual Corporation. Parehong-pareho ang vision natin to help the businesses and the achievers talaga sa industry nila. So, ito naman si Miss Ashley, matagal ko na rin siya sa ating kasama sa Servicio Channel na ngayon ay magre-represent sa La Visual Corporation. So, thank you so much din sa ating mga sponsors at naniwala kayo sa event na ito at hopefully makasama pa namin kayo sa mga susunod na event with La Visual Corporation, diba? So any questions po para sa ating mga media? Mike.
Hello sir, good afternoon and congratulations. Number one question, yung selection criteria for the awardees tonight, can you elaborate on the process of doing that? At saka pangalawang question is, what is in store for us tonight? What can we expect?
So, La Visual, pwede ba natin sagutin? Ano nga ba yung criteria o paano natin pinili ang ating mga awardees?
First of all, I would like to greet a pleasant afternoon to each and every one of you, especially to our media. So when it comes to the selection criteria, we really make sure that we carefully choose our awardees. Say, for example, from thousands up to really the credible awardees for the specific awards that they will be giving them. And also, we are choosing some criterias, say for example, the social awareness, how financially credible the businesses are. At the same time, how does the business helps the community and its people? Because that's one of the most important things that we need to consider when it comes to businesses. It's not just mainly being about the business, but how will you be able to contribute to our community? So as what I've mentioned earlier, we really choose the criteria, and we have our selection committee in which they will be the one who will carefully choose our awardees. So from So from thousands up to the specific numbers of awardees.
So may mga survey din tayong ginagawa. So research talagang napakagaling ng La Visual Corporation dahil most of the awardees talaga ay talagang nasalang mabuti. So ito na yung talagang gabi na makikita natin na magagaling yung mga awardees natin talaga. So congratulations po. And aasahan nila ngayong gabi. So kanina, I am emotional. So, this is it, sabi ko nga eh. Maganda at exciting po ang gabing ito. Marami po kaming inihanda. May mga magpe-perform sa atin. May mga inspirational messages from our awardees. And of course, ito yung parang puno-puno ng saya, ang ngiti ngayong gabi. So, kumbaga, pag sa eskwelahan nga, pag binigyan ka ng parangal, binigyan ng parangal ang iyong mga anak, di ba ang saya? So, ito naman, yung mga nagbuti sa kanilang mga crafts, sa kanilang mga industry, ay paparangalan talaga natin. So, this night will be full of excitement, smile talaga, and success. Thank you po.
Hello, good evening. Congratulations, firstly. My question is, I'm from the Media House Express.
Ay, hello po.
Yes. My question is this: what makes the Philippines Finest Business Awards different from other award-giving bodies?
Gusto mo sagutin yan? Ito, hindi na sa akin manggagaling. So, tingnan natin sa mga nagre-receive ng award from ibang award-giving body. Miss Salvi.
I have asked him to answer the question in their behalf. So I've been awarded for several times. This year, I guess, this is our 19th award. And this is the only awarding body that advertise the awardees. They advertise much. So it's like boosting our company, the small medium businesses, to reach the multinational level. So it's a big help. It boosts us, and that made or sets them apart from the regular awarding bodies. It's more of advertising its awardees. Thank you.
Sir Dervin.
Anyway, good afternoon sa ating mga media and of course sa ating mga panauhin ngayon. So I think ang Gaunan Event Management by Tutings qualified in this Philippine Finest Business Award and Outstanding Achievers because Gaunan Event Management by Tuting is elaborate themselves so that the other young people inspired the true history being a business person like me. So kami kasi we delivered the high quality and aside from that, very affordable kahit mismo yung mga taong walang kakayahan na bumili or makuha ng isang gown or ng isang tuxedo. So kayang abot kaya. Kahit yung mga ikinakasal na walang budget, kaya namin i-provide yung kanilang dream wedding na katulad din sa mga luxury. Kasi ako before, bakit nagawa ko yun? Because ang advocacy ko talaga, everybody, lahat po talaga ma-achieve po nila yung dream nila. Kasi ako before, galing ako sa mahirap na pamilya, walang kakayahan, walang pera, talaga na kahit birthday man lang nung bata ako, hindi ko naranasan. So sabi ko, inaral ko lahat. Inaral ko, pinagtuunan ko ng pansin para time will come, yung mga katulad ko nangangarap or mga tao is ma-achieve din po nila. Yan ang dahilan kung bakit nakita po ng Philippine Finest Business Awards yung aking kakayahan, yung aking advokasya para sa lahat. Yun lang po. Marami pong salamat.
Alright, I guess I have to say also. Good afternoon to our media. Salamat po. Philippine Finest Business Awards sets apart from other award-giving body. Number one is just, they are not just honoring those businesses and personalities, but they are giving motivations. Diba? Kasi ang sarap nga naman talaga sa pakiramdam that nare-recognize yung ginagawa mo, especially when you're helping people. Yes, the media exposure is there. Talagang sobrang napakadami. And maraming salamat because you're helping us, kaming mga micro, medium, small enterprise na makilala din sa market. Thank you so much.
Ayun. So I would like to recognize the presence of PCCI Taytay President, Mr. Elmer Espiritu. So Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, isa po ako sa director din po niyan sa Taytay Rizal. So I am very lucky to have them to support this kind of event. Pareho po kami ng tinutulungan. So ang Philippines Finest Business Awards ay may beneficiary po, katulad ng PCCI, which is Tahanan Balik Alay. So isa po itong tahanan ng ating mga lolo at lola na wala na mag-aalaga. So isa po itong lugar kung saan doon sila iniiwan o doon sila inililigtas ng sa komunidad. So yung po beneficiary po natin ang Tahanang Balik Alay. Natulungan din po ng ating mga sponsors. So maraming salamat po sa pag-support sa mga sponsor po natin na nandyan. Maraming salamat sa support na ibinigay po ninyo sa Philippines Finest Business dahil ang laking tulong din po ng inyong sponsorship sa Tahanang Balik Alay. So thank you po.
Hello po, congratulations po. I'm from Philippines Graphic Magazine po. In what ways has La Visual Corporation evolved over the years, and how does it align with the goals and mission of the Philippine Finest Business Awards?
So marami kasi, hindi lang, kumbaga, ang services ng La Visual Corporation, hindi lang isa. Hindi lang kami gumagawa ng event. So we help businesses to reach yung mga kailangan nilang mga mileage.
And also for the past years, actually just to share a trivia with you, I've been a professional media host for Serviso for the past 4 years. So I've really seen the vision of Sir Nero as well as La Visual Corporation. And they excelled in so many ways, especially for like advertising, marketing, and kanina nung nasa backstage ako, i-share ko lang din sa inyo, one good thing about this Philippine Finest Business Awards is they also have magazines, and at the back of the magazines, they have the names of all of the awardees. They have the contact numbers and emails. So to all of the people who will be able to see the magazine, say for example, that one person appreciated this specific awardee and they wanted to contact that specific awardee. So it's very reachable at the same time. They really wanted to connect with their audiences, and they excelled in such a way that that La Visual is not just an award-giving body, but they really make sure that one of their goals is to really help the community. And as what we have always said to all of the people and to all of the audiences, what is the purpose of the business if you won't be able to help out other people, and if you won't be able to use your business to spread out and to be a helping hand for other people? And if there's one thing that I've learned, not just in Servicio Channel, but in La Visual Corporation as well, that their best foundation of the business is its people. So we really need to take care of that, and that's one of the things that I've learned from them, and that is the reason why they keep on excelling, improving, and improving in so many ways. So can we just give a big round of applause for Servicio Channel and La Visual Corporation? Because as you can see, it's really a great event. As of now, I want to congratulate each and every one of you for this very successful event.
Ayan, yan. And of course, talagang ang La Visual Corporation, hindi lang siya sa events. We organized events, yes. Pero kung talagang may pangangailangan ang isang negosyo sa pagpo-promote nito, ang daming serbisyo ng La Visual Corporation. Pwede ka may ad placement tayo sa mga jeepneys, kung sa mga taxi, sa bus, sa LRT, billboards, print ads, magazine, newspaper, lahat. Name it, kaya ng La Visual Corporation. So, siguro, kung wala ang La Visual Corporation, walang Philippines Finest Business. Yun.
Hello, good evening. So I am Yu Wanano from Business World. So, pwede bang palakpakan sila? You know, napagkadaming government entities as of today na most of them is hindi natin nararamdaman, which is isa kayo sa mga ebidensya from private sector na parati kong sinasabi na nandyan ang mga private sector na sumusuporta din sa komunidad. So anyway, dahil natukoy nyo yung about business, about yung mga na ipuprovide nyo sa community, in a form of shape of businesses. So ngayon ang tanong ko, I would like to ask on the impact to the Philippine business. Ano yung sa palagay nyo, ano yung pinaka-epekto nyo sa ekonomiya ng bansa natin? Thank you.
All I can say is what we really need to make sure is that all of the Philippines business will be inclusive. Because as what you have mentioned, that some of the businesses, they are being neglected, they are being ignored somehow. So I really believe that it's really important for award-giving bodies to really make sure that they recognize each businesses regardless of who they are and what they are, as long as their businesses is for the good rights of other people. And I want to make sure also that La Visual Corporation and Servicio Channel are making sure that we are very inclusive in choosing our businesses. So if you will be able to witness later on the different businesses that we will be awarding, we have different criteria, we have different business and categories. That's the word. They have different categories. And I think we really need to make sure that we don't just choose one specific category, but we make sure that each businesses who have excelled in their craft, in their profession, in their own ways, will be recognized in their own little ways. So that's our vision. And the word La Visual, as what I have mentioned before in an interview, that La Visual and Servicio Channel is turning dreams into reality, and that everything, every businesses should be seen and heard and should be promoted in so many ways. Thank you.
Ayan, so isa rin po sa mga naniniwala sa amin ang The Hexagon Events Place, na sinuportahan din po ang Philippines Finest Business Awards. Maraming salamat po. Ma'am, thank you. Mga ma'am sa taas, thank you so much.
Hi, good evening. I'm Hannah from Amazing Manila Journal. So, can you share some success stories in your past awardees, and how does Philippine Finest Business Awards contribute to fostering excellence and innovation within business community?
Thank you, Hannah, for your question. Well, again, we've received like several awards, and these awards, it's more of a great help, especially when dealing with biddings. So, say for example, you have 5 bidders and you are the only one who has this award. So, it's like an edge from your competitors. So, right after having these awards these years, we have acquired like a lot of multinational companies. So it's a great help for us, for a small medium business, to have these great clients, big clients, and it made us like a great foundation to support our business. And also for Philippines Finest Business, right after they selected us, the Sheehan Roll-Up Door Construction Services, they had made a lot of media engagement. So we've been into a lot of radio guestings, television guestings. So we have spread the name of our company for free, and that's for the work of Philippines Finest Business Awards and La Visual Corporation. So it's a big help for us.
All right. Philippine Finest Business Award helped my company boosted business connections and business partnerships. So talagang since a lot of media mileage yung nandyan, from left and right, from radio, from Facebook, from those talagang mas nakilala pa po. Kasi just to share with you, my company started with a prayer of hope and survival, because I just started my company during the pandemic. So I just prayed to God how I'm going to help those jobless persons. How am I going to create a job? Because back then, I was a HR professional, and I was one of the witness how millions of employees lost their jobs. So yun, and napakalaking tulong na alam mo yun, nandyan yung mga award-giving body like La Visual Corporation and Philippines Finest Business Award, na nakikita nila yung hard work mo, nakikita nila yung silbi mo sa community.
Hello everyone. Yun po, just what they said po a while ago, just to add, the Philippine Finest Business Award, they gave us the chance to
Hello, good evening. Congratulations for having such Finest Business Awards. For my question, I'm Mac Vasquez of Market Monitor. Paano nyo madidistinguish ang Philippine Finest Business Awards to other award-giving programs? And then, follow-up question, paano nyo gustong makilala ang Philippine First Business Awards sa buong mundo?
Napakagandang tanong po niya, no? Paano nga ba makikilala? Ano ang gusto namin matandaan kapag sinabing Philippines Finest Business? Ito siguro ang masasabi ko po. Puso. May puso tayo sa ating mga awardee. So, kailangan at dapat namin silang tulungan, ma-market. Hindi kami ang bida dito, hindi yung chairman, hindi yung brand ng Philippines Finest Business, kundi yung awardee ang bida sa awards night. Hindi po kami. At syempre, pag awardee ka, kailangan ma-expose ka. Meron kang billboard, may print ads. Nandyan po kayo mga media para tulungan sa channel. May mga interview pa doon. Nandyan pa kayo mga media. Marami pang story tayong pwedeng i-feature from our awardees. So, Actually, tuloy-tuloy talaga, long-term ang PCCI ang boses ng negosyo sa Pilipinas. They are the voice of the businesses in the Philippines. So, any message po, Sir Elmer, sa ating media and sa Philippines Finest Business?
Thank you very much, Nero. Good evening to everyone. I'm Elmer Spiritu. I'm the president of PCCI Taytay Chamber. Kami sa PCCI, all of us in the local chamber of Taytay as well as Rizal, we are in full support of what Servicio Channel and Visual Corporation are doing. PCCI as a whole, although I don't represent the entire organization,